my loving sweet man. I know you are in the house of God and you are watching over us. But Nan, I want to tell you that I miss you a lot. I was very lucky that you carried me and played with me. But if you were here, you would have given same love for Kisha. But now that you are in heaven, I know you're sending your love and your blessings from heaven above. Nan, you will always be missed and always be in our heart forever. We love you forever. Love from your grandchildren, Angel and Kisha.
Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel K2 and Family. I hope you all are doing well. तो व्हिडिओचो म्हळ्यार तुमकां खबर आसतली आज व्हिडिओ आयज आमी कित्या लागून केलो पळय तो टुडे इज अ डे where it's been 2 years that we got this very sad news for us that my mom passed away. And actually this is the time like I'm here sitting and doing it that I got a phone call from my sisters saying that Baba Mama hospital serious म्हणून because Nadia त्यांना कामा वचपा भायर सरतालें we were in London at that time त्यांना वचपा भायर सरतालें तो कामा आनी पॅनीक सिच्युएशन जालेलें पूण सिरियस आहा म्हणून कित्याक थोडो वगत पयलें धाडाको उलयल्लो एक दीस पयलीं बिकॉज इट वॉज जस्ट विदीन अ डे डिफरंट लायक आय डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट सिरियस म्हण सिरियस अशें कितें आसतलें म्हणून पूण कितें काय म्हणल्यार एक देवान परत दुसरो न्यूज येयलो की लायक मामा इज नॉट देयर.
Yeah, it was very shocking.
I could not accept it. जायना एक्सेप्ट करपाक कित्याक फ्यू डेज 2 दीस पयलीं व्हिडिओ कॉलाचेर उलयलें मामा कांय प्रॉब्लम अशें करून असो ना टू से दॅट ओके दॅट शी विल पास अवे बट गॉड्स विल वी कॅनॉट चेंज इट. It feels very bad today that Mama is not here. That's why I wanted to share this video with you all. What my mom was. Like, Mama keshko aloli, kite aloli. She was a very jam person. Everyone knows she had a very good heart. And family thi oldly amgeli. Like oldly in sense among their family they cousin because ती ओळली आसलोली आणि everyone was looking up to her as an idol. म्हगे मामागे नाव एडविना गोन्साल्विस. She was born in Agasai and but grew up in Santiago. ती बोर्डिंगा आसलो ती तेगे आमतिया आसलोले ते थिंगा आसलोले सो तेगे cousins बी and from there ती Santiago my काजा जावन मागीर फोंडे पावली. And from there, the journey of marriage started. I was born, my sisters were born. So will this go on. And she was the eldest in the family. They get Edwina now, everyone used to call her Bushin. Mogan take Bushin Mundali. Mage mama ke sangpagel medaru. She was a very strict person. Strict in sense, tu kam poli kenna modla salesko mama am kenna doi mot ken chela puro. Am te ko tale kit poite. We used to understand. About the wrong kela kiti hate. Every time, if today what I am, if I know to take care of family, if I know that what I'm doing is how I'm doing it, if I'm strong, then it's just because of my mom. Anything that I am in my life, my credit goes to my mother and nobody else. Nobody else can take the credit for that. After getting married, having that responsibility, sorry, I've learned it from my mom only because she has made us very tough. From childhood, she has taught us the values and everything she has taught us. पूण म्हणटा न्ही ती घरा कितें आसूं there is something or the वयर आसता सकयल आसता and that was there in my family like that. It happened. To be honest, Nadia आमी मोगान काजार जाल्ले आमी दोगांय पूण मोगां पडचे पयलीं पासून my mama had put a word towards her parents before. And तेज्या पयलीं हांव नादिया वचपाचे पयलीं पासून my sister and she used to work together.
She used to send me nice food.
मामा जाय ते रांदून बी दिता ताका जाय धाडटाली.
फोडणी राईस
फोडणी रायस म्हणजे तेचे देशी झाड आहे फोडणी राईस म्हणे करता बेस्ट करताले आणि वी हॅव लॉट ऑफ दॅट मेमरीज आहे आणि त्यांनी होतं त्यांना म्हटलं शी वॉज व्हेरी यंग सो त्यांना इतली हे जाऊन पूण आम्ही इव्हेंच्युअली आम्ही मोगा पडली आणि वेन वी फेल इन लव्ह and I introduced Nadia to mom, she had tears of joy in her eyes. She cried. But after days then things went little bit upside down because tumtani. When good things happen, there are many bad things also follow along with you. And my mom is not like a kind of a person who believes in anything, but it's just like okay, she gets influenced with things. Yeah. ते एक जाताले like okay, she used to live in pride. एक तो घरा ओढली लोक ते करतात ते एक या आलो की आपण आपणा ते तकली सकल घालपाक केन्ना येना आपण कितें म्हणटा सारको तकली वयर करून रावता म्हणून आणि ते स्वता म्हणटालो मामा तुका हांव तकली सकल घालपाक दिवपाना यू हॅव टू स्टे विथ तकली वयर आसता म्हणून इफ पीपल हू नो मी they will always know एडविनागे चेड्यान तेगे तकली सदां वयर दवरली म्हणटाले म्हणटले ते आय नो गॅरंटेड अबाउट दॅट म्हणजे आमगे वाड्यार आमगे लोक जाणाय म्हाका भायर जाणाय सगळे जाणाय इवन माय मॉम ऑल्सो न्यू अबाउट दीस व्हेरी वेल दो म्हणपा इट्स टू लेट लायक यू नो मामा विल डू दीस ते म्हणपा इट्स नॉट ते हांव हें करतलो ते करपाक पूण आलोले तेन्ना कित्याक करूं ना अशें जाता आय वूड हॅव डन एवरीथींग but I did not get that chance, I will say. What to be done? In life, a man will get comfortable only with two person. Very comfortable. Like I have Nadia's mom in the house, yeah. ती म्हाका चेड्या भाशेन करता तेगे चेडो आसा हांव तेगे काजार जावचे पयलीं पासून ती म्हाका चेडो म्हणटाली तेगे दाडा लेगून म्हणटालो तूं घरा व्हडलो चेडो तूं जावूं येस न्ही घरा चेडो म्हणून तेणें म्हाका सदां चेड्या भाशेन केला पूण कितें जाता the way how I will be with my mom, I can't be the same. Mok to titlo asto magtaigelo, respect to astolo magtaig. I'll respect the same. But what happens with my mom was there, I used to go and hug my mom. If I'm not feeling well, mama makhati hai lagad korge. Mama ke payan dabge. Also mama payan jeni de ekide. Te asta. Like that I'm comfortable with only with my wife, second person in my life. Yeah. I can't get that comfort zone. Now my mom is gone. I don't have that comfort zone with anybody else other than my wife. That comfort zone will never come. I realized this very much because I knew when mama said, "Kitle आमची तो कितले असो टाउटी झाले कितें जालें." बाबा म्हणल्यार ते यात आलो जीव येतालो. हातीन बरोवप म्हाका येयल्या हांव येदो व्हडलो घोड जालोलो तरी म्हाका ती ओटार किस दिताली. Can you imagine that? Yeah. नाद्याले म्हणटा तू मामा किस दिता वाटारू नॉट इन अ बॅड वे ते केन्ना हें करूं ना म्हाका बट हांव म्हणटा वय हांव पयलींचे ते म्हणटा कित्याक तूं घरा ते केन्ना तेच किस दिता आय वॉज व्हेरी अटॅच टू माय मॉम व्हेरी अटॅच अँड डोंट वॉन्ट से अ लॉट अबाउट इट बट द गुड थिंग अबाउट माय मॉम इज लायक यू नो सांगपा जायते आहा तेगेले बट आय टेल यू अ वेरी स्मॉल स्टोरी अबाउट माय मॉम वाय people look towards her as a good person. There was a lady who used to work in our house when we were kids, and they काम करता सांगते मग I think so she got pregnant. I mean like she got married and she got pregnant. But after getting married, after getting pregnant, that man took son पळून गेलो. आणि पळून गेलो आणि हे एकले उरले. आणि ते काय कोणाक पळोवन हाडलेले. I think so ते she ran away from house and came. And then she started crying in front of mama. Like, आणि आमगे मामाकू केन्ना आंटी बी म्हणल्यार लायक जायनासले आंटी म्हणप ना ते आंटी कोण म्हणटाले फक्त आपणागे कोण मनशाय न्ही आपणा भयणीगे भुरगीं हें कोण आहा तेणी आंटी म्हणपाक बाकी कोण आहा तेणें आंटी म्हणपाक तूं एक तर ते धाकटे भुरगे ते म्हण तूं हें लागोनाय तूं म्हणजे सोयऱ्यांनी आमगेले पूण शेजारी कोण आहा पूण भुरगे ते लागून बाय म्हणटा ते बाय पूण आंटी म्हणप ना आणि ते भिताले ते म्हणपाक सो बाय म्हणप ते म्हणपाक बाय अशें जालां ते रडपा लागलो मामा म्हणपाक कित्याक सांगलो तुका अशें ते मामागे मागीर तापोवप आसताले ते भिताले आमगे वाड्यार सगळे भिताले तेगे आवाज म्हणल्यार सगळे भिताले आमी भुरगीं न्हू बिकॉज शी वॉज अ व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग पर्सनॅलिटी वुमन शी वॉज वेन हें जालें पळय तेन्ना मुगे ते बायले म्हणपालो की तुगे एश कोन ते म्हणपालो आपलो खंय भुरगें हाडपा जायना जल्मा. मामा सेड तसलें कांय चिंतनाका, डोंट वरी, आय एम देयर, तूं भुरगें हाड जल्मा. मागीर तूं कोण चोयन दुसऱ्याको काजार करया. ते म्हणपा एश कोण करता आपणा, ते म्हणपा तुका आनी ahली भुरग्याक कितें केल्यार तुका सोडपाना, तुका मान उडयतले, तेका भिवन दवरले. सो जालें कितें, ते चेडवाको घरूय नाहलोलें. सो आमगे जागो आसलोलो. सो वॉट मामा सेड, तूं हिंग घर बांद आमगे थिंगा राव. सो तेण बागडे आपणाक होपेश कितें पाल्ल्यान थिंगा रावले ते. तेगे प्रेग्नन्सी काडली मामान. प्रेग्नन्सी काडून सगळें जालें. मागीर भुरगे म्हणपा दवरपा, ते म्हणपा आपणा भुरग्याक चोवपा जावपाना, हें जावपाना. आमगे आनी कोण एश कोन वळखी आसलोले, लायक अशें वळखोताय न्हू, तेश कोन आनी वळखी कोण आसलो. आनी दॅट पर्सन डीड नॉट हॅव अ किड फॉर अ व्हेरी लॉंग टायम. बरी वर्सां जालीं तेंगे काजराकू, भुरगे वचून. हिंदू ती कोण. आनी मामा म्हळ्यार तुका एशें अशें कोन्न आपण कडेन उलोवन चोयता. ते म्हणपालो आपलो एशें आपणा भुरगे खूंय बरें उरता जाल्यार आपणा प्रोब्लम ना. सो मामा स्पोक टू देम आनी तेंका सांगलें चोय अशें अशें आहा, भुरगीं जर एडॉप्ट करपा जाय कोरे. ती एडॉप्ट करपाक कोत्ताली प्रायवेट, पूण तेंका मेळनाहलो कित्याक तेंगे तें व्हडलें कुडागर बी तेसो आहा. पूण तेहली हितून तेंका हें मेळना न्हू, ते गव्हर्मेंटा जायते फॉर्मेलिटीज बी आसताय. सो दे डीड नॉट गेट दॅट थिंग. सो मामा सेड ओके फेअर इनफ, आय विल डू इट, एंड स्पोक. एंड दे did that procedure and तेक भुरगे तेका हँड ओवर. पूण मामान कंडिशन कितें गायलें, the biological mother will get an opportunity anytime she wants to come and see the child. आणि ते भुरग्या लिकून तेका सांगलें तुका भुरगीची आपणागे जबाबदारी. पूण फॉर्मेलिटीज केले तर गेलो, नो डावट. पूण भुरग्या तुमी तुमच्या भुरग्या परत चड करपा. ते भुरग्या म्हाका 15-16 वर्सां कितें जालां आसतलें. एंड तुका सांगो इतली बरे भाशेन दवरलें त्या भुरग्या तेणी. आनी ती आजून लिगून मेळटा. आनी तितलें न्हू, आमगे काम करता पळय तेका मागीर कोण एक सोयन म्हाका दिसता कोणा सांगून त्या काजार कोन्न तेका लागून धाडलें. सो देर आर मेनी अदर स्टोरीज लायक दॅट. लायक मामा जायते कोणाक घर सांबाळलो आहाय, या कोणाक नाहलोले तेंका जेवण घायलो आहा कितें. शी वॉज व्हेरी हेल्पफूल. घराको कितें जावं, भायल्यान ते केन्ना कोण कितें वायट म्हणपाना. घरां कितें जातालें, मॅनिप्युलेशन जायते येता, लोक कितें कितें सांगपा अशें तशें तशें करून. आनी ते म्हणटा ते एश कोन. सो यु नो ते म्हणटा सम ट्रूथ गेट्स रिवील्ड when you get to know the real facts about it. Because my mama passed away, I got to know so many facts that have come across to me, which sometimes I used to think in a wrong way before. But what I came to know, I felt like I should have known those things at the cost of her losing. ती आसून जर म्हाका एशें कोन्न कळलोलें की कित्याक कितें म्हणटाय न्ही एशें कोन्न दुसऱ्यांच्या हांदाराक धरून फार मारताय म्हणटा पळय तेल्ली खबर. एंड माय मॉम वॉज लायक ओके. कितें जाता म्हगे मामागे उलोवप व्हडलें, सांगप व्हडलें. एशें कितें जातालें की शी वील बी द बुलेटिन बोर्ड एंड शी वील बी लायक ओके द फेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग, which was not true. But now that my mama is not there and I miss her every day. They say no, a person in heaven, in God's house, always will know the truth. Yeah. And if I know that she's watching us over, जाणा आसतो ती. I don't need to shout and व्हडले हें करपाक म्हाका. I don't need to shout out top of my voice and tell the world that how much I mean to my mom. What is important for me is that my mother should know that what she meant for me. That is all. The borderline is that for me. And nothing stands more than that for me now. At this stage, nothing stands. Because even we got married, we had केन्ना नादिया एशें कोन्न डायरेक्ट स्वताव तुका स्वताव केन्ना ना ते.
Never.
She never troubled
She
her.
never स्वतः पण she never
स्वतः.
troubled me at
कोण आमी
all.
म्हाका लेगून स्वताव ना केन्ना. एशें कोन्न स्वता
But anything also, like if anything she had within her, never on my face, on my like for me she was like doing things so nicely, like ते केन्ना एशें कोन्न म्हज्या तोंडार म्हाका केन्ना वायट म्हणोना, or like केन्ना दाखोवन दिवना like anything is there within her, anything like
she always used to say म्हाका लेगून कितली बरें सांगताली. Sometimes mama used to share a lot of things with me. She used to send me some pictures अशें तशें धाडटाली कितें कितें ना अशें करून न्हू. चल म्हाका एशें कोन्न हें जातालें लायक समटायम्स म्हणटाय न्ही जीबूय तुजी दांतूय तुजे. इट्स लायक दॅट. बट म्हाका दिसता द टायम हॅज पास सो फार दॅट that if I had to speak, I had to speak way before that. But now it's too far like to speak also about it. But the important person only is not there in life. So now nothing keeps any more important to me.
I always believe that when that person is not there, that you don't hear bad thing about her or you don't speak any bad thing about her because she's not there now. And I always tell Cashly, anybody tells you anything about her, because there will be people coming, Astani, Atona Muntokos, okay, now we'll take advantage of it or anything. No, we are not people who get manipulated or will fall for it. Because Atto Munis now, where we go to ask her about it, no. So na te munshage ulopui and aikopui ni bad things. You always hear good things and talk good things.
That's true. That's true. Very much. I know, like, I was sada mama gela school mutadi. Oh, mama gela palwa malla burgo chado. That's cool. But I've become like my mother only. I can't take wrong things. I can't listen wrong things. And mak kiti hani, muge moti datte che. Mak ragu tej basi ata. So what it is, guys? Yeah, I'm not saying I was a very good child, a good son. I did not have everything that I wanted, but I got everything that I needed. My mother made sure that I had everything. Yeah. The best thing, she gave me the best values. She made me a good person. Yeah. And I know I stand by her. She would be very proud of me for what I am today. And but I know I did not do a lot to her when she was there. So now it doesn't make a big point for me that I do anything now.
Come,
Baba yo.
you'll be there.
It doesn't make any point for me now to say like, okay, Baba, if I do anything now. So like, Baba, you do things for a person when they are alive, yeah, not when they are gone. I did not do a lot to my mom, yeah, because I did not get that much of opportunity to only do for her. But she knew very well that I was doing. But after also I am old, it won't make a big difference. It won't pay any big tribute or won't satisfy my mom. What important is for me, and how I behave towards her, even if she's not around me, and how I look forward to her. And through me, the people should see that within me, like, okay, that this child really knows that the value of his mother is not there around him. Yeah. People know about it. And I said it, and I'll say it as well. People will see my mother in my deeds. They will see. So guys, thank you for watching this vlog. It was nothing much that I wanted to bring up or nothing that I really wanted to say. It's just I wanted to let you all know what my mother was. She was very kind and loving person. She loved her kids very much. Always. Sogla mo keldeni, but chodbeki kelti de after. Just a request to pray for my mom when you'll pray, because that is more important. And I know, Mama, if you're watching me, you're watching your family here, you'll be very happy. And to gele dakte na kisha nan kor nan love you. Dekai ami busu mundai. Kin mundai ko? Busu. Hey. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.